All right, so the mission today is we're gonna try to get up over these rails here, be able to get semis to be able to come across there. Right now it's kind of like a motocross track. If you look, I'm gonna show you how to do this with infield design on an earthworks dozer. So what you're gonna wanna do is come in and push this and hold. That'll bring up your menu. We're gonna do a design. We're going to create a design, and it's going to be in alignment and section. And we're going to use focus points. Focus points are just the blades. Now the way I'm going to get up and over all this is I'm going to shoot the center, and I'll show you how I do that here. Hold on. So I've decided that that's about center with the whole project that we're going to do. And I'm focusing on the right side of my blade, so I'm going to record from this point. It's going to hit add, okay? Now what I'm going to do is track up here and touch up on top of the rail. Okay, if you see, I'm just a little bit up from it because I don't want to hit that. I can put it down on it. It really doesn't matter because you can offset. So there I'm right on top of the rail. I'm going to come down here and add that point as well. And it shows me my elevation right there. Now what I'm going to do is do a midway point, about halfway between here and there. I feel like I'm about right where I need to be. I'm going to add that point. Elevation, you can see everything staying pretty straight, so that's a good thing. I'm going to track up to the start of my next ramp. So I feel like this is a good starting point. If you notice how it kind of helps you stay in a straight line, you can use this. If we move around, that'll go left or right. But we seem to be on target with our design, and we're going to go ahead and add this point. Now the next spot we got to go up to is up here on the rail. Once again, I'm feeling like this is a good spot. We're looking straight on our design. I'm going to go ahead and add that point and go to the bottom. See how how this thing right here moves a little bit. I feel like we're in a good spot. I'm gonna click it. All right, so we've got our design. Now what we need to do is put the machine in park, idle her down, because you're gonna have some stuff to do here. You're gonna hit next. This is real simple. You can do either focus or on screen. I recommend on screen if you kind of know what you're doing. All right, the length of my blade is 10.5 feet. So what I'm gonna do is just hit and enter 10.5. All right, so now we got this, right? Now what I'm gonna do is hit this little DNA looking button, right? We're gonna clone it from original. So now, we should have 3 points. Center alignment, outer design, blade this way, blade that way. Good to go, we hit next. Now, this is really important that you pay attention here. Let's look at our design 3D and see how it looks. It is definitely giving me the slope I need to get a semi up and over the rail. So we were successful on that. Now what we need to do is focus on making sure that our alignment is selected. We want to move that alignment by using these arrows to the center. You can see that there. We're good. Let's hit it. Save. Select. Apply. Done. Got some work to do, guys.